KMLA keseng Kongres haga katnyo tarik unok pra kilala ia kendo yang menteri rangba kejala haga bagila penbenas sendon bagila ajing kerjaan ke sorkar senrop lang Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapu akajing alam jong keseng NPP nak kebenta banyak trailang halor kimat kibabher kibak kata yo pat ba baja kejala barok kawai. Kanoy alam jong ke Congress Legislature Party ke kong amperin lingdo habaya keren bekinong patai kubur gala pentib baka seng gala rai ban ajeng kerjaan ya ke sorkar MDA ke balai alam da ke NPP halor kimat kiba kongsan kiba day berupat ba ke jela kiba kentup ya ke jingdawa ya ke inline permit ban kentup ya ke ketien kasi bat garu haka it schedule jong kariti sensar kari bat kibai. Haka biadai bak kecing halang halor ruput usam kabala long dangshan kala ong bo menteri rang ba ula pentikna ban salumbiang ya kecing halang banyak tai sani halor kini kamat bat ailat ikinong mi kamat keseng kongres banyak ya bentalang. Kakong amperin kala ong ba ke kongres menta kadai keseng kebatmai kebakloi ban train na kebenta kebahaga miat jong pai ba hendrai kan pendem tedong pan bat kinu kimat kiba ke sorkar kaleklan ban shim kiabha.
We are not saying that it is an outside support, but we are saying that this is a support which is going to be based on issues which are of general public interest and benefit. We will see how this offer that we are giving the MDA government works out. We will see how it pans out. We will see whether various committees will now be shortly formed, including the Congress. But our identity in that opposition is already very blurred and confused as of today. We still do not understand whether there will be a need for us again to relook at so many positions, even in the opposition as it is today. Because when an opposition breaks, and when the Honourable Speaker likely, we have not received official communication, likely not given his ruling on whether or not he recognizes the breakaway group, then automatically you will see these vacancies that will tend to be there in the floor of the House. Like I said, it is but becoming of us to discuss this matter also with the Honourable CM, get his mind on what should be the approach that we take so that confusion doesn't prevail. Right now, a lot of confusion is prevailing in the state of Meghalaya as far as its politics is concerned. We will rise above that and we will take head on an opportunity to work and partner with the government on important agendas that we've placed before the purview of the Honourable Chief Minister. We remain as an independent lobby in the opposition. We now have our own mind. We have our own agenda, we have our own focus. We are not going to be indulging in unhealthy politics with any part or any member or any lobby in the assembly. We have our own mind and nobody can claim that they have power over us. But that does not mean that we should not also look at an opportunity of a new phase of the Congress that will be able to rally on behalf of the public.